Okay. So today, okay, how are you today, Grace and Mutia?
I'm good. I'm
Okay,
fine.
Grace, you're fine. Okay, that's good. How about Mutia?
I'm good and fine.
Okay, thank you. So Mutia yesterday belum join ya?
Yes.
So you just start today ya? Okay, Mutia, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Mutia Calista Putri.
So we can call you Mutia, right?
Yes.
So how old are you, Mutia? How old
I'm
are
years
you?
old.
Sorry?
My years old I is 17.
17 years old ya?
Yeah, 17 years
Okay,
old.
17 years old. So what grade are you? Kelas berapa nih Mutia? First grade, second
11.
grade, 11 ya. So in the
Yes,
second grade of senior high school
11.
ya.
Yeah, senior high school.
Okay. So where are you from, Mutia?
I'm from Banda Aceh.
Banda Aceh. Wow, that is so far away ya. Banda Aceh. Okay, that is very good place. Okay, thank you Mutia for your introduction. And Mutia, di grup nanti tolong ya diisi perkenalan yang berisi nanti ada nama dan juga ada alamat email ya.
Okay.
So you can fulfill with full name and then your email. Nanti
Okay.
after the class ya.
Yes.
Okay, thank you Mutia.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
now, okay, while waiting the other, let me start. Okay, can you see my kedengaran? Kelihatan nggak? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so our material today is top hits. All right, should we start it now? What your opinion, Grace and Mutia? Should we start it now?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll start the class right now. Okay, now for the first material, our material. So in the first, we have learned about Netflix and home movie theater. So the next, we will learn about top hits for Unit 2. Okay, now here we have warming up. What's happening in the image at the top of the page? So there are six pictures here. As you can see here, the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So now look at this image above and tell a classmate what you can see in each. So because there are two students here, I want to spare into picture one, two, three will be given by Mutia and Grace will take number four, five, and six. So, Mutia, can you explain to us what are the picture number one, two, and three?
Pakai bahasa Inggris ya?
Sure.
Bentar.
Okay.
Nomor berapa tadi?
Nomor
For
Apa
five.
nomor
Grace,
berapa aja, sir?
Grace number four, five, and six, and Mutia number one, two, and three.
5, 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first will be Mutia.
Kalau misalnya yang pertama,
The first one.
ya, and first one itu apa ya?
So what do you think about the picture?
Look at the handphone.
Look at the
Itu
handphone, or you can say streaming music from
streaming.
phone.
Oh ya,
So a person streams music from phone. How
phone.
about number two? Number two, do you know the picture number two?
Number two, apa tuh ya? Meli, mendengar,
Listen,
listen to earphone and look the apa itu?
there's like CD, yeah.
Oh ya, CD.
CD or album. So the woman listens to music with earphone and look
Watch the,
at the album or CD, yeah.
yeah, album or CD.
Okay. How about the picture number three?
Mendengar apa ya?
Listen. Mendengar itu
Oh,
listen
ya.
ya.
Listen to the music and watch the apa ya? Watch the
Tablet or
ya
iPad.
tablet.
Tablet.
Ya,
Okay. Okay, that is good explanation. Thank you very much, Mutia, for trying.
oke.
Okay, so now let's move to Grace. Can you try with this one, number four?
Okay, sir. Picture number four ini, I don't know think about apa tuh? I don't know what he's doing, but I think
Mhm.
he's looking for an album or a book. I don't
Okay,
know
good job.
what's he doing.
So it is like she searched album or book, something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
So because our material is about music, so perhaps she looks for an album, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. How about number five?
Uh, Number five, I think I looks song is displayed on the screen likes number. Apa tuh? Eh Apa ya? It
Watch
looks like smartphone displayed on the screen, like display on the screen.
on the screen. This is
Gambaran
watch
musik.
ya, smartwatch ya.
Smartwatch. Okay, sorry.
Smartwatch atau jam tangan pintar, something like that. So
Yes.
listen to music with smartwatch. Okay. How about picture number six?
Number six. I look. It looks. Is a radio or cassette. A cassette.
Cassettes, something like cassette in
Yeah,
with
cassette
play with radio. So that is like vintage or old style, yeah.
style. Okay. Yeah.
So okay, that is good opinion, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so that is the six pictures about what are we imagine. Okay, so in the next, think of three differences between how we listen to music in the past and how we listen to music now. So Mutia, Grace, and welcome Aska. And now Aska, Grace, and Mutia, please uh, think that what do you think about how we listen to music in the past and how we listen to music in now in this era? Do you get my point? Do you understand?
Yeah. So.
Oke, so I want to one by one explain one. Jadi semuanya akan menyampaikan satu-satu ya. So Mutia
Okay.
one, Grace one, and Aska one. Okay, Aska, can you understand? Do you understand, Aska?
What?
Eh.
Okay, Aska, I want you to make or think about the difference between how we listen to music in the past and how we listen to music in this era or now. Do you get my point, Aska?
Okay.
Oke, jadi gimana kita mendengarkan musik di masa lalu dan gimana kita mendengarkan musik di masa sekarang. Oke, now first I will ask to Grace. Can you start it first, Grace?
Okay, sir. The difference is that it is that in the past, when
Mhm.
listening to music, you used a radio which was only connection to electric apa
Electricity
namanya?
ya, seperti
Ya
listrik gitu
elektrik.
kan?
Ya.
Ya,
But whereas now, you
mhm.
listen music using an application and internet. The
Internet.
internet?
So we use smartphone ya,
Yeah.
so we can connect without electricity with internet or streaming on some platform ya.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay, that is good point, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace.
Welcome.
Okay, next, how about Mutia? What do you think about it?
Kalau dulu used to as radio,
Mhm.
but kalau no use call apa namanya? But no as cell phone.
So,
Memakai kayak misalnya internet gitu.
so we use our phone. In the past, we use radio, and in this era, we use smartphone gitu.
Yes.
Okay, that's all, Mutia.
No.
Itu aja.
Ya itu aja.
Okay, thank you very much, Mutia. Good point. Okay, now how about Aska? So, how do you
Kalau
think, Aska?
kalau dulu tuh use
Suruh naik.
radio,
Ya.
Mm-hmm.
and now use application in headphone.
In your phone. So,
Uh,
what do you use? What is the platform, Aska?
Spotify.
So, you use Spotify?
Yeah,
Is your Spotify premium or free?
free.
Free. So, do you think that free is comfortable for you?
Yeah.
So, okay, so you enjoy with the advertisement?
Uh,
Kamu keganggu nggak sama iklannya?
Lumayan.
Lumayan. So, it's enough ya.
Hmm.
Okay, that's all, Aska.
Uh,
Okay, thank you very much, Aska, for trying this one. Good job. Okay, so that is about the picture here from warm up. Okay, now let's move to the next here. So here we have 8 vocabularies. Here, focus on vocabulary. So match its word or phrase to its correct definition. So in the here in this side, wait. In this side, here are the vocabularies, and in this section is the definition. So now I want you to match which is number one for what's alphabet. So for the example here, for the first, depressing. So depressing refers to kira-kira depressing ini apa nih artinya dalam definisinya. So from the its mean like depression, it looks like in E, making you feel sad. Depressing bisa connect sama, wait, here like this. So you can try with number 2 until number 9. So because there are 3 people here, I will spare into 8. 8. Okay. Harusnya 9 3 3 ya. I will spare into Mutia, you will get 2, Grace, Mutia number 2 and 3, and Grace number 4, 5, 6, and the last Aska number 7, 8, and 9. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, please. So Mutia number 2 and 3, Grace number 4, 5, 6, and Aska number 7, 8, and 9. If you want to try, you can say it.
Sculpture itu mematung ya?
Sculptures. This is like noun. Ini kata benda. Kira-kira apa nih?
Kata benda.
This is object. Kira-kira benda apa nih? Sculpture. Okay.
Apa ya?
You can read the definition. You can choose in the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G until A, until I. Which one?
I don't know. Kayaknya C.
C. C in
D.
the meaning is to mean to do something with a specific aim. Ini C ini artinya adalah bertujuan untuk melakukan sesuatu yang spesifik. Jadi ini kelihatannya kata kerja.
Kata
Berarti
kerja.
bukan kata benda. Jadi structure ini adalah kata benda. So based on your opinion, yang menurutmu kata benda yang mana nih kira-kira?
Oke, tunggu ya.
Oke.
I. I.
I.
Ya.
This E, A, B, C, D, E. E.
I. A, B, C, D,
I.
H. Ya, I.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I ya.
Yeah. A work of art made from material.
Okay, wait, let me connect it. Yeah, the answer is correct. A work of art made from materials such as stone or metal. Jadi suatu karya yang dibuat dari batu atau metal ya.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. How about number three?
So let's the
Let's
choice A. To
A.
choose something careful ya.
Carefully. To choose something carefully. The answer is correct. Benar banget ya. A. Okay, good job Mutia. Alright, thank you Mutia.
Yeah.
Okay, next we will have Grace. Can you try number 4, 5, and 6?
Oke, number 4 itu ada 2 ya pilihannya ya?
Apa nih? Ada dua.
Atau 1 ya? Aku
Satu.
ngeliatnya di
Sebenarnya di
F,
F and
F, F
di
and H.
F and
H.
H. So F ini artinya the words in song, artinya kata-kata yang ada di lagu. Sedangkan
Oh,
H
lirik.
di sini part of a song that is repeated a number of times. Jadi kalau H ini artinya adalah bagian dari lagu yang diulangi beberapa kali. So based on your opinion, which one?
F.
F.
Ya.
So what is F? Can you mention it?
With F, the words in a song.
Okay, that is correct. Lyric is the words in the song, kata-kata atau yang ada di lagu. Okay, good job, Grace.
Hmm.
So how about number 5?
H?
So chorus, the answer is H ya.
Ya.
So you can
OH.
mention
Oke.
this H, bukan H ya, H.
Oke, sorry, sir.
It's okay. You can try. Part of a song that is repeated a number of times. Jadi chorus ini mirip dengan ref gitu ya.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good job, Grace. How about number 6, Grace?
Number 6, D.
Pete, can you mention the definition?
The pattern of sounds in music.
The repeated pattern of sounds in music. Yeah, correct. The answer is D. Okay, good job, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace, for sharing number 4 and until number 6.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so next, Aska. Aska, can you try number 7, 8, and 9?
8 with something. C. C.
Number 8 with C.
Yeah.
Can you mention the definition?
To mean something with a specific aim.
Okay, to mean do something with a specific aim, untuk melakukan sesuatu dengan tujuan tertentu. Okay, that is correct. Benar banget. The others, what's number?
Hmm, 7
Number
with
7,
uh, G.
G, build up and track. Kira-kira yang mana nih?
Oh, B.
B, can you mention it? What
Yeah.
is it?
To become faster or more powerful.
Okay, build up. The meaning is to become faster or more powerful, untuk menjadi lebih cepat dan lebih bertenaga. Okay, that's correct. So the last year,
Uh, G.
track with a number. Can you mention it?
A number, song, or record piece of music.
Okay, good job. That is correct. Track is a numbered song on a recorded piece of music. Jadi adalah urutan lagu yang ada di sebuah musik. Okay, thank you very much Aska for sharing number 7, 8, and 9. So here are the focus on vocabulary in the part A. We have number 1 until 9. Oke, ini agak acak-acakan ya. Okay, now because we have done the part A, let's continue to the part B. Oke, itu ternyata nggak ngikut. Sorry. Okay, now I want you to do to part B. So fill in the blank here with the vocabulary based on in the part A. So jadi di part B ini silakan diisi titik-titiknya dengan vocabulary kosakata yang ada di part A. So there are eight. We will spare into three, 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 three. Okay, for the first number one, two, three, we will start to Aska. Four, five, six with Mutia, and number seven, eight, and nine will be Grace. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Oke, Aska nomor satu, dua, tiga, Mutia nomor 4, 5, 6, dan Grace nomor 7, 8, and 9. Okay, if you want to try it first, you can raise your hand or stop your audio ya.
Number one, lyric.
Okay, can you read the all of the sentence?
Uh, if you ask me, the best lyric on the album is the last one. Is
So the number one, the answer is apa Aska tadi? Gimana tadi?
lyric.
Lirik. If you ask me, jika kamu bertanya padaku, the best bla 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 on the album is the last one. It's awesome. Yang paling bagus di album yang terakhir. Ini kira-kira apa? Lirik kan ada di satu musik. Kalau dalam album biasanya ada apa nih?
Hmm,
Kurang tepat kalau lirik kira-kira apa nih? So, what is it?
beat ya. If you
Beat.
ask.
Kalau beat itu dalam lagu. Kira-kira yang mirip dengan lagu apa nih?
Sir, izin nanya dong.
Oke, sure. Gimana, Grace?
Sebelum itu, arti track itu apa?
Track. Ini tadi track ini adalah urutannya di sini. Track is ini dia, a numbered song
Iya.
on record piece of music. Jadi adalah
Kalau
urutan lagu yang ada di musik atau di album gitu.
berarti arti track itu musik atau lagu? Atau
Track
gimana?
itu artinya juga track langsung sih kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kamu pernah punya album siapa ya? Kalau aku jelasin, mungkin kamu pernah tahu lagunya album siapa? Kamu tahu lagu penyanyi Indonesia album siapa?
Nggak tahu.
Nggak tahu. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. If I give the
Kayak
example, contohnya kayak mungkin albumnya siapa ya? Album artis. Mungkin misal lagu albumnya Bernadia.
Agnes? Oh,
Kamu tahu Bernadia?
oh,
Mungkin Bernadia
tahu.
punya album gitu ya. Nah, albumnya
Ya,
itu berisi beberapa lagu kan?
iya.
Nah, itu bisa disebut lagu-lagu itu track-tracknya gitu ya. Ada track one, two, three, four, five gitu. Jadi kayak urutan
Oh,
lagunya gitu. Mungkin kayak
oke.
track one belum ada 1 bulan. Track two yang untungnya bumi masih berputar, something like that. Do you get it?
Oke, sir. Ya, thank
So
you.
track is similar with the song ya.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So Aska, do you get it?
Number one, select.
S- So can you read the full of the sentence?
If you ask me, the best song on the album is the last one. Is awesome.
The answer is apa tadi Aska? The answer jawabannya
Select.
select. Select itu memilih. Jadi ini adalah isinya adalah kata benda. Kira-kira mana? Yang noun. Kata benda noun. Between sculpture, lyrics, chorus, beat, track. Menurut kamu yang mana nih? So, number one, the answer is track ya, Aska. Jadi track itu mirip dengan lagu. Jadi kayak gini. If you ask me, jika kamu bertanya denganku, the best track atau the best song, track itu mirip dengan lagu ya. The best track on the album is the last one. Jadi urutannya. So track di sini kan a numbered song on a record piece of music. Jadi dalam albumnya yang paling bagus tuh yang terakhir urutannya yang paling akhir. Do you get it? Paham nggak Aska kira-kira?
Yeah.
Paham ya? Jadi kayak urutan lagunya. Oke, let me. Untuk yang lainnya, do you get it? Paham nggak kira-kira?
Paham,
Mut-
sir.
Paham
Answer.
ya? Okay, thank you very much. So, number one, the answer is track. How about number two, Aska? Or Grace or Mutia wants try? Bebas nih kalau mau mencoba.
Hmm,
Sorry, Mutia.
wait a minute ya, sir.
Okay, please take your time. So, number one here we have the answer is track. Jadi track sudah terjawab.
Intent ini artinya apa ya, sir?
Intent tadi apa nih gandengannya? Gandengannya tadi adalah C ya. To mean to do something with specific aim. Melakukan sesuatu dengan tujuan tertentu.
Oh, bermaksud ya.
Mhm. Oke, aku coret-coretin lagi ya. Karena tadi hilang nih. Oke, how about the other? Yang lainnya gimana nih?
Number two, sir.
Oh, Mutia, you
Kayak
wanna try number two?
kayaknya build up ya.
Number two. So, can you read the full?
I titik-titik to get off the train in Birmingham, but fell asleep and woke up in London. Kayaknya build up ya.
Build up, build up. Are you sure the answer
Nomor
is build up? Build up to become faster or more powerful. Jadi ini adalah
enggak
gimana?
enggak tahu deh kayaknya. I
It's
don't
okay,
know.
nggak apa. Kita kita akan mencoba bareng-bareng. I bla 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 to get off the train in Birmingham, but I fell asleep and woke up in London. Aku titik untuk turun kereta di Birmingham, tapi aku ketiduran
Oh,
dan bangun di London. Jadi kira-kira apa nih?
kalau instant bermaksud kayaknya enggak ya.
Benar, jawabannya adalah intent ya, intent. Jadi,
Maksudnya gitu.
iya benar banget, intent. Jadi intended. Oh.
Pakai ed ya.
Intent. Ya, intent. Bertujuan, bermaksud gitu ya.
Hmm.
Karena udah udah sampai London. Can you read the full version, Mutia?
I intended to get off the train in Birmingham, but fell asleep and woke up in London.
Okay, good job. So number two, the answer is intended. Okay, thank you very much, Mutia. How about number three and until number nine?
Number three.
Oke, tadi Mutia harusnya nomor 456 ya.
Iya, coba
Oke,
doang.
berarti oke. Bisa beli banget nyoba. Aska, Gracia juga bisa mencoba di yang lainnya. It's okay.
Okay, sir.
Oke, Aska, you wanna try the other?
I Number three, the film
Number
starts slowly
three.
between action.
Atau Aska mau coba nomor lain juga boleh banget nih. Jika menurut kamu nomor tiga nih, apa nih? Bingung. Bisa coba ya untuk yang
Oh,
lainnya, the other.
number three, boot up. Benar nggak?
Can you read the full sentence?
The film starts slowly, but then the action build up and the ending is fantastic.
Okay, correct. The answer is builds up, become faster and more powerful. Jadi the film starts slowly, filmnya awalnya lambat banget. But then the action, tapi aksinya tiba-tiba menjadi lebih powerful, berturn agak lebih keren. And the ending is fantastic, endingnya keren banget. Okay, the answer is build up. Good job, Aska. How about the other? Ada lagi? Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gimana?
Bisa coba nomor 4 nggak?
Number 4. Okay, please.
Oh, depressing.
I never watch the news. It's always so
Saya tidak pernah menonton berita.
Depressing. Or
depressing. Correct, benarnya jawaban. That's correct. Jawabannya adalah depressing. Can you read the full sentence,
If you
Grace?
can follow jika kamu
I never
mengikuti
watched the news. It always so depressed.
Okay, good job. I never watch the news. It's always so depressing. Aku nggak pernah melihat berita karena selalu membuat depresi. Oke, good job, Grace. Yang lainnya? Oke, yang lainnya jika tiba-tiba aku coach Cap tiba-tiba nge-unmute, mohon maaf ya karena agak berisik sedikit. Nanti bisa di unmute sendiri ya.
Number 5, sir. Mutia.
Number 5. Oke, Mutia, please.
Mau coba ya? Itu lirik ya?
If you can follow the blah 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 to a song, you will be able to play the drums easily. Kira-kira kalau main-main drum, kita harus ngikutin apa nih?
Lirik?
Lirik, are you sure?
Beat, beatnya?
Hmm?
Beat.
Oke, bener banget. Can you read the full sentence?
Okay. If you can follow the beat to a song, you will be able to play the drums easily.
Oke, good job. The answer is beat. Jika kamu mengikuti beatnya, kamu akan dapat
Memainkan musik.
memainkan drum dengan baik.
Baik.
Jadi main drum dengan baik jika mengikuti beatnya di musik. Oke, good job, Mutia. How about number 6, 7, 8, and 9? Or Grace, you wanna try?
Number 6.
Mhm.
Lyric.
Can you
Have you ever seen?
have you ever seen the blah 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 of David in by
Oh, beda, sorry.
Michelangelo?
Sorry, salah, salah, bukan nomor 6, nomor 7, 7.
Number 7. Okay, please.
I'm so better at remembering lyrics to song.
Okay, benar. Lyric. The answer is lyrics. I'm so bad at remembering lyrics. Can you read the full sentence?
Mana? I'm so bad at remember the lyrics to song, even news I know really well.
Oke, good job. Aku sangat buruk mengingat lirik musik ya. Bahkan aku tahu musiknya dengan baik, dia tetap tidak bisa mengingat dengan baik. Oke, that is correct, Grace.
Oke.
Oke,
Langsung nomor 8-nya dong.
number 8.
8
Okay,
dong.
please.
Build up. Ya, build up.
Build up tadi udah ya. Ini nomor 3 ini
Udah
udah.
ya.
Udah.
Oh, berarti select dong. Pilih. Select. So,
Number
select. Number 8. 8.
number 8. She has been playing so well recently. I think blah 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 her to play. So number 8, the answer is
Select.
select. Benar banget.
Se-
Okay, so
select.
number select. Good job. How about number 6 and number 9?
Hmm. Suara saya nomor icon.
Aska mau coba?
Number 6,
Mhm.
sculpture.
Sculpture. Okay. Can you read the full sentence?
Have you ever seen the sculpture of David by Michelangelo?
Michelangelo. Okay, good job. The answer is
Mm,
sculpture, yeah. Okay, that is correct. Sculpture. Oke, atau pahatan ya. Bisa patung atau pahatan. Oke, good job, Aska. So the last.
Mutia, Sar.
Oke, Mutia, please.
Itu churros. Apa? Gimana bacanya?
Chorus, ya.
Chorus. Chorus ya.
Chorus. Can you
Oke.
read the full?
I can usually sing along the churros
The
chorus,
chorus, ya.
chorus, but
Oke.
I usually forget the rest of the song.
Oke, good job. The answer is chorus, ya. Atau bisa
Chorus
bilang
ini ini ya,
refnya.
paduan suara ya?
Kalau paduan suara tuh choir ya.
Oh,
Kalau chorus ini adalah bagian musik yang diulang-ulang atau ref kayak gitu. Paham nggak kira-kira?
paham, Sar.
Paham ya? Kalau paduan suara tuh choir, tulisannya choir ya. Kalau paduan suara, kalau chorus ini adalah bagian dari musik. Okay, thank you very much everyone for answering number 1 and until number 9. Number 1 track, number 2 intended, number 3 builds up, number 4 depressing, number 5 beat, number 6 sculpture, number 7 lyrics, number 8 select, and number 9 chorus. Okay, now let's move to the next. We will have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will ask you in these three. Number 1, I will ask Grace. Number 2, Mutia. And number 3, Aska. So number 1, I want to ask to Grace. What is the best track you have listened to recently? Who is by or what's the name of the track? Do you get the answer, the question, Grace?
What?
What
The
is the
question?
best track you have listened to
Oke.
recently?
Apa tuh? The song I just listening to is an English. By Candice, and the
Candice?
name, yeah, Candice, and name of the track itu
Bahasa
Ours to
Inggris.
Keep.
Sorry, apa tadi? What is the
Ours
name
to
of the track?
Ours to Keep.
Ours to Keep?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Wow. How about Indonesian song?
Um, Apa ya? Itu kisah-kisah di sekolah aja deh.
Oh, oh, who is the singer?
Cheers, tapi Cheers, gak tau apa ya namanya
No,
nyebutnya.
no.
Cheers, ya,
Serious.
cheer.
Okay. Okay, that is new song.
Apa?
That is new song.
Ya, no, lagu old.
Oh, can you repeat the title?
What?
Bahasa Inggris.
Can you repeat the title?
Artinya
Seperti sesuatu.
Kamu bisa mengulang
Seperti.
judulnya tadi?
Seperti.
kisah kasih di sekolah.
Oh, kisah kasih di sekolah. Oh, that is by Grace ya
Ya,
kalau nggak salah ya.
oke, saya
Yang
itu namanya.
kisah kasih di sekolah itu kan ya.
Ya, oke.
Okay, okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Grace.
Oke.
Okay, so number 2, Mutia, do you usually remember lyrics easily? Do you know any lyrics from English song?
No.
No, you don't listen to English music?
Ya, no.
Never? Kira-kira apa nih? Satu aja.
Oh,
One song.
Nicki.
Nicki? What
Yes.
is the title?
Apa ya? Atau enggak Taylor Swift? Nah,
Taylor Swift. What is the
ya,
song?
lagunya. Gimana ya?
Mhm.
Apa namanya?
Or what is the title?
Taylor Swift. Bentar. Coba. You Belong With Me ini.
You
Yang
Belong
apa
With
sih?
Me.
Yang,
Oh, that is your favorite part of Taylor Swift?
ya.
Oh, I don't listen that. Aku mungkin belum. Mungkin kalau liriknya mungkin kalau dengar lagunya tahu ya.
Ya, tapi
Oke,
lupa liriknya.
oke, that's good. Okay, thank you very much, Mutia. And number three, Aska. Is it easier for you to remember the chorus and why?
Yeah, because repeat and easy to remember.
Oh, because it is repeated and easy to remember, mudah dipahami dan juga berulang-ulang gitu ya.
Yeah.
So, what is your favorite song, Aska?
Mm. Anchor.
Anchor
Yeah.
by
By
who is it?
Novamor.
Novamore.
Yeah.
Wow, I think that is good song. Okay, good job, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, now let's move to the next. Here, okay, you can open to the this one, the unit that I share to WhatsApp, yang aku share di WhatsApp, and you can read this. Can you open the PDF? Kamu bisa buka PDF yang aku share tadi nggak? Grace,
Bisa,
Mutia, and Aska? Sure,
bisa.
bisa ya. And
Sure.
please read this one. Read this article here until the last year, and then you can try to this one. You are going to read an article called Get the Most Out of Your Music. Look at the three pieces of advice below. What advice do you think the article will give? Jadi menurut kamu, artikelnya tadi memberikan kalian saran yang mana nih? Ada listen to an album from the first track to the final track, and number two, listen to music from before you were born, and the last, listen to music you don't know on streaming service. So you can search it. Skimming adalah membaca cepat, dan kalian harus melihat secara cepat nih, mana jawabannya kira-kira. This is only one answer. Jawabannya cuma satu between these three. Jadi di antara tiga ini, among these three advice, the answer is one. Kira-kira yang mana nih?
Number one.
So, can you mention it? Apa Mutia?
Number one. Enggak
Number
deh.
one, can you read the full sentence? Dibaca lengkap ya? Gimana? Oke, welcome Zahra. Oke, di sini sudah bergabung Zahra. Oke, welcome Zahra. Oke, Zahra silakan ya. Oke, please open. Jadi Zahra di sini please open PDF that I share. Jadi dibuka PDF yang saya share tadi ya, dan please read in this article. Get the most out of your music in the page 4 di halaman 4 ya. So here number one the answer
Bentar,
is the answer here number one ya, bener banget Mutia ya. Can you read the sentence Mutia?
halaman 4 ya. Wait a minute ya, Sir.
Iya halaman 4 ya. Eh,
Mm-mm.
Number one here, the answer is listen to an album from the first track and to the final track. Jadi mendengarkan musik dari track pertama until sampai track terakhir. Nah, that is the answer. So now let's move to the next here. There are 7 questions. You have to answer it. So look at the questions below, read the article again, and decide if the questions were answered in the article or not. Jadi silakan kalian baca artikelnya, terus ini ada 7 pertanyaan. Menurut kalian ada jawabannya apa enggak nih di artikelnya gitu. Number one, when should you listen to these albums? Number two, what is an album? Number three, how do most young people currently listen to music? Number four, how does an album tell a story? And number five, what did Adele ask Spotify to do? Number six, how many albums has Adele sold? And number seven, what are the 10 best albums in the world? Okay, please silakan.
Nomor 1 itu dari tadi nggak dapat jawaban saya, Sir.
Number one, are you sure?
Iya, iya, karena kan, wait,
Karena,
wait a minute.
wait a minute, okay, you can try.
Oh, ada.
Ada? So what is the
Eh, eh, Jawabannya dia di page di number 2 yaitu you can still listen to all of them. You're just a bit late. Kah?
number one? When should you listen to these albums? Kapan kamu harus mendengarkan album-album ini? Kira-kira jawabannya di mana nih? Di
Di number 2.
number two
Eh,
in. Are you sure? Yakin?
iya, paling bawah.
Number two. So when should the answer is the number
You can
two?
you can still listen to all of them. You're just a bit late.
Benar ada di number two, but the answer is if you are over 20 already, don't worry too much. Jadi di sini
Oh,
the article is before you are 20 ya. I have decided to call it 10 albums to listen to before you are 20. Jadi sebelum 20
hmm,
ya. If you are over 20 already, don't worry too much. Benar banget sih ada di situ juga ya. Oke, good job Grace.
okay.
Oke, what the others? Number two?
Aku lagi deh.
Okay, please.
Itu dia number 4 ada di page 4.
Page four. What is it?
Ya, itu um, is apa tuh? Album is a piece of art just like any painting, play for or sculpture. Ya,
This one. Di sini
ya,
ini jawabannya adalah
ya.
yang ada di
Oh, oh, I know.
benar ada yang di 4 itu ada a collection of around 10
Painting.
discs. Jadi ada an album is collection of song ini ya jawabannya ya. Benar ada di
Hmm,
4 tapi yang di sini an album is a collection of song usually about 10 by artist or group that play in a band. Gitu ya.
okay,
Okay,
sorry.
good job Chris. It's okay, you don't have to say sorry. But it's an album. So, di sini yang tidak dicantumkan adalah number three. Number three di sini tidak ada nih, biar nggak bingung ya. Dan juga ada number six and number seven. Jadi masih ada number four and number five. Oke, Mutia, do you find something? Or Aska? Or Zahra? Udah nemuin sesuatu belum?
Hmm,
Oke, Aska, can you try number five, Aska? Oke, sepertinya Aska masih belum menemukan. How about Zahra? Zahra, do you find something? Oke, sepertinya belum menemukan ya. So, because our time is limit, so I will answer ya number four. How does an album tell a story? So, number four, the answer is through its order ya. Jadi urutannya, diri di album itu diceritakan dari urutan track-tracknya, berurutan. How does the album tell a story? Berdasarkan setlistnya atau urutan the track, from the first until the final. And then the last number five, what did Adele ask Spotify to do? Apa yang diminta Adele kepada Spotify? Yang diminta Adele kepada Spotify itu adalah untuk remove shuffle option on Spotify. Jadi menghilangkan opsi shuffle di Spotify. Jadi agar tidak diacak gitu ya, agar berurutan tracknya. Okay, that is about this article. Okay, this is about the article. We will move to the next here. Language pronoun. So pronoun, the meaning is kata ganti ya. Kata ganti. Seperti contohnya, number one. I will give you the example. In the first paragraph, they want you to visit this place or read these books really quickly. Jadi di sini ada this. Menurut kalian, this ini menurut kalian artinya menuju ke apa? So for the here this ini bisa kalian di sini ada kata this. Nah ini. Jadi apa yang dimaksud this ini menuju kemana? So yang dimaksud dengan this ini adalah ini. 20 place to see before die and 100 books to read before you die. Do you get my point? Kan paham nggak? Belum paham ya? Jadi
Belum,
ini belum paham ya. Jadi gini,
belum
this
tuh.
itu adalah kata ganti. Seperti contohnya, aku
Ini
akan memberi contoh yang simple gitu ya. Misalnya, Grace membeli buku. Grace buys a book. Contohnya kayak ini. Grace buys a book. Artinya kan Grace membeli buku.
buku.
She buys uh, the title something like she buys a novel gitu aja. Dia membeli novel. Jadi di sini kata gantinya adalah she. She. Yang dimaksud she ini siapa menurut kalian?
Grace-nya.
Grace, benar banget yang dimaksud she di sini adalah Grace. Nah, jadi di sini yang dimaksud dengan this ini siapa nih? This ini yang dimaksud adalah 20 place to see before die or 100 books to read before you die. Kalian paham nggak kira-kira? Paham ya?
Paham, Sar?
Oke,
Paham.
karena our time is limited, kita akan bersama-sama. Is it okay? We will do it together. Kita akan mengerjakan bersama-sama. Oke? So, number two, you can still listen to all of them. You are just a bit late. Kamu masih bisa mendengarkan semuanya. Kamu hanya sedikit terlambat.
Belum.
Nah, menurut kalian di sini ini harusnya adalah di paragraf kedua. Ini. Nah, them yang dimaksud them ini adalah ini. Di artikel jadi kalian harus membaca musik. Ini dia. Yang kalian harus ada adalah 10 album to listen before you are me. 10 album. Jadi yang dimaksud adalah 10 albums ya. Album yang harus didengarkan.
Hmm.
Paham nggak kira-kira? Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Jadi yang dimaksud them ini adalah album, 10 album. Lalu ada number 3, you you to listen to them in this way. Number paragraph 4, here, them. Yang dimaksud them di sini adalah, oh wait, yeah, number three, sorry, number three, the paragraph four here, them. So the artist select the songs to be played in specific order and they want you to listen to them in this way. Yang dimaksud them ini adalah songnya. Jadi songsnya harus didengarkan secara berurutan. Let's move to the number 4. A song might tell a story through its lyrics or a repetitive chorus, but an album can tell a story through its order. Yang dimaksud dengan it's in paragraph 5. In the paragraph 5, it's a song might tell a story by its lyric. Yang dimaksud it's itu adalah, ada yang tahu di mana kira-kira? Ada yang tahu nggak kira-kira it's-nya ini refers to menuju ke mana it's-nya?
Songnya ya? Eh,
Bener, jadi it's-nya ini ke songnya. How about number 6? I want you to play each from track 1 to the very end. In the paragraph 7, ini. I want you to play each. Kira-kira each ini apa nih? Oke, then my article promise you list of album. Jadi each-nya ini refers to album. Albumnya ini ada banyak ini. Ada 1 until 10. I want you play each. Jadi masing-masing semuanya the albums. Jadi the all of the music. Oke, that is pronoun atau kata ganti atau kata yang untuk menggantikan kata yang sebenarnya. Okay, now let's move to here. We have vocabulary. Okay, is it okay if we end the meeting at a half past to 9? Setengah 9, is it okay? 10 menit lagi ya. Is it okay, Grace, Mutia, Aska, and Zahra?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, 10 menit lagi ya. Okay, for the
Oke, sir.
vocabulary here. So there are reggae, hard rock, heavy metal, soul, hip hop, folk, punk, opera, blues, country, classical, and rap. So based on these 6 pictures, can you guess? Number 1, what's it? What is it? Number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, Aska, can
Number
you? Aska mau coba duluan? Bebas nih, Aska mau milih nomor berapa?
Um, number 6,
Number 6. So number 6, what is it?
hard rock.
Number 6, are you sure?
Eh,
This is by guitar.
Juta. Heavy metal.
Kalau gitar, I think this is like soft music. How about number 3? Kira-kira Aska, number 3. Can you guess number 3?
heavy metal.
Number 3, are you sure metal? This is like people use something like beatbox.
Rap.
Rap. Okay, so number 3 we have rap gitu ya. Or also we can something like hip hop ya. Jadi mungkin ini adalah kosakata dari musik. Ada rap, hip hop, dan juga ada satu lagi soul. Nah, di sini menjadi satu. Rap, hip hop, and soul. In number 3. Hip hop, rap, and soul. Oke, how about the other? Kira-kira yang lain. Oke, good job, Aska.
Sir,
The
mau nyoba
other?
number ini 5. Mau
Number
nyoba
5.
number 5.
Okay, please.
Itu kayak opera ya?
This is like people use the song with number number
Number
4.
5.
Number 5, number 5 apa?
Ya,
Nomor 5 ya.
5. Ya,
Oke,
nomor
number
5.
5. The answer is
Opera.
opera. Oke, good job. Benar banget ya, opera. Dan juga bisa dengan klasikal ya.
Oke.
Opera and classical. Good job, ya. Oke, how about the other? We have opera and classical.
Number 1, sir.
Number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Heavy metal. Heavy
Heavy
metal.
metal. Mm, it is incorrect.
What?
Salah. Kurang tepat. Kurang tepat.
Oh,
Apa
hard
nih?
rock.
Hard rock. Bener, hard rock, bener banget. Hard rock. And then ada satu lagi nih, kira-kira apa nih? Kayak orang kayak gitu, nah, manggilnya orang
Ring
apa?
blues atau bukan?
Hmm, bukan. Apa lagi nih?
Ring reggae? Fuck apa ya?
Kamu pernah lihat orang di jalan pakai pakaian kayak gini? Kira-kira kamu nyebutnya orang apa?
Pang,
Pang,
pung,
bener banget.
pang, ya.
Pung. Kan?
Pang, pung, pang ya,
Sorry.
bener banget.
Iya,
Pang.
oke.
Kan kadang kalau kita lihat orang dengan penampilannya eksentrik, manggilnya orang pang gitu kan?
Hmm.
Nah, pang. Oke, hard rock and pang. Can you try number two? Kira-kira number two ini apa nih? How about if I ask
Const-
Zahra? Zahra, can you hear my voice, Zahra? Zahra, can you try number two? Folk? Are you sure this is folk?
Sir,
Iya,
maybe itu kayaknya reja ya, regai. Gimana
reg
tulisannya ya?
reggae ya.
Ya,
Nah, bener reggae ya. Zahra jawabannya adalah reggae. Karena orangnya biasanya menggunakan rambut yang dikepang gitu ya. With
iya.
braid. Reggae. Oke. This is only reggae. Oke, untuk mempersingkat waktu ya. Untuk number six ini, musik yang biasanya agak tenang. Maksudnya bukan yang terlalu keras gitu ya. But lagu yang easy
Folk,
listening. Seperti country and folk.
folk ya.
Nah, sedangkan yang ini adalah orang yang gitar dengan beat yang sangat kenceng. With a heavy beat. So the answer is, apa nih kira-kira? The answer is,
Country,
it can be
blues.
heavy metal ya.
Hmm.
Heavy metal and hard rock. Heavy metal. Bisa juga hard rock juga bisa. Wah, blues kayaknya nggak masuk mana-mana nih. Emang tidak masuk mana-mana ya. Oke, there is the vocabulary about music. Mungkin kita jarang dengar ya musik-musik kayak gini. Mungkin kita dengarnya cuma opera atau pop, dangdut, something like that. So in international, we know about reggae, hard rock, heavy metal, soul, hip hop, pop, punk, opera, blues, country, classical, and rap. Okay, now let's move to the next here. We will have, okay, in this section, I want to interview, we have four. Kita punya empat orang ya. Di sini saya akan membagi di sini nih. Speaking, interview some classmates about the music they like. Look at the table and write down some interview. So, jadi di sini saya akan membagi nanti ya di break room. Wait a minute. Oke, can you open the PDF? Kan bisa buka PDF-nya nggak? Di PDF ini nanti akan ada di sini. Interview some classmates about the music here. And the question name, band, genre, tracks, and album. Jadi bisa menginterview teman-temannya tentang band atau musician yang disukai, lalu genrenya atau jenis musiknya, lalu
Hmm.
track atau judulnya, dan juga album yang disukai dari band. You get my point? Jadi nanti kalian akan masuk di breakout room dan kalian akan menginterview teman-temannya. Bisa nggak kira-kira?
Caranya tuh gimana?
Caranya nanti saya akan bikinkan breakout room ya. Dari sini akan buat sekitar dua breakout room nanti. Oh, ada yang left ya. Oh, Zahra left
Bentar.
ya. Oke, jadi di sini ada Grace, Mutia, dan Aska di sini. Kalau tiga gini, oh Zahra mau masuk nih. Oke. Oke, di sini nanti saya buatkan breakout room. Jadi kalian nanti langsung masuk dan juga nanti kalian bisa interview teman-temannya ya.
Eh, emang di setiap album, di setiap band itu ada albumnya? Atau yang mana ya? Jarang.
Tergantung sih kalian milihnya gimana. Kira-kira udah muncul belum?
Belum.
Breakout
Oh,
roomnya udah?
Udah,
ya.
Sir.
Udah, silakan join ya,
Join.
terus interview your friend ya.
Oke.
Oke, please. Mutia, Grace, Aska, silakan join ya. Aska, can you join the breakout room? Gimana? Bisa nggak? Mutia, Zahra, can you do it?
Yes, bisa, Sir.
Yes,
Bisa kan
sir.
ya? Oke, tadi ada yang ask for help. Oke, silakan dilanjut ya.
Belum.
Termasuk Fox.
Dilanjut ya.
Kalau ya, yes. Aska. Halo.
Ya,
Itu kalau genrenya jenis
ah,
popnya apa?
iya,
Jenisnya apa?
Fox.
Apa?
Termasuk
You can
Fox.
try. Ketiga aja, ketiga deh.
Folk ya. Folk.
Oh, pop. Oke. Eh,
You can try
can you
use
try?
English ya.
Oke, sir. Aska. Wah, kok sulit banget ya?
Ya,
Eh, apa ya? Kalau tracknya, apa ya? Bentar. Sir, track itu tadi apa?
Track itu bisa urutan musik atau lagunya gitu ya.
Albumnya ya, dari album atau bagaimana?
Ya, bebas sih mau dari album. Kalau nggak punya album berarti lagunya yang mana nih kira-kira gitu.
Oh, oke.
Something like that. So it depends on the artist. If the artist doesn't have album, you can ask the song, something like that.
Oh, oh, oke,
Okay.
sir.
Have you done? Udah selesai,
Sir,
Zahra? Ya.
mau tanya, tracks itu apa?
Tracks itu it can be numbered in the song. Jadi numbered in the album. Jadi kayak urutan lagu yang ada di album. Jadi
Di
bisa bisa
albumnya itu ya?
lagunya, bisa lagunya ya. It can be the song.
Oh, oke.
Okay. So if the artist doesn't have album, it can be the song ya. Kok diem-dieman ini gimana? Zahra dan Mutia, you can interview your friend ya.
Zara, aku ya. Eh,
Oke.
jadi tracksnya tuh, kalau misalnya Dewa 19,
You can
eh,
use English ya.
oke. Ad, Dew, Uh, First itu ada Dewa,
Ketiga kan
Oke,
ketiga aja deh.
oke.
And last albums, Aska?
What?
Aska. Ada album?
Album?
Mm-mm. Sir, I have a
Yeah,
question.
sure.
Eh, Album sama apa ya namanya tadi ya? Album sama band itu beda ya?
Beda kalau band itu yang nyanyi dan kalau album tuh runtutan isian lagu dalam satu album, kumpulan lagu gitu. It is
Ah,
collect of
oke.
song.
Oke, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Oke. Aska. Aduh.
Wait.
kayaknya albumnya nih ini deh, Dewa
Album.
Sembilan.
Oke.
Okay, the time is up ya. Waktunya udah
Sir,
habis. Okay, Grace, Aska, udah ya tadi? Have you done?
yes, sir.
Okay, perhaps
Yes,
something
sir.
more. Okay, Grace, can you share about Aska?
Aska in the brand yaitu Novo Amor. And
Mhm.
genrenya it's pop and tracks in Encore and album Encore.
Anchor
Yeah,
ya. So the
yeah.
track and the album is Anchor. Okay, that is good point. How about Aska? What do you know about Grace?
Grace tuh bandnya Dewa 19
Mhm.
and album eh Kangen. Kangen.
Kangen.
Kangen.
Ya, kangen. Okay,
Kangen.
that's all.
Baru dapat satu, Sir.
It's okay, Mutia. It's
Ya.
okay. So Dewa 19 and the title is Kangen ya.
Ya.
Okay, good point. And then next, Zahra, can you try to explain in Mutia?
Em, eh, Dimulai dari mana dulu ya, Sam?
Bebas, it feels free. It feels free. You can start from anywhere. Or Mutia mau coba duluan?
Oke. Eh,
Oke.
Zahranya kan, Sar?
Yeah, it is about Zahra ya.
Your name is Zahra. Terus bands or musiciannya itu Hindia.
And then you can use
Uh,
English ya.
eh, gender, this
The
gender, it,
the genre
uh, gendernya rock.
rock.
Tracks-nya ada evakuasi. Next ada untuk apa, and secukupnya.
Mhm.
And then albumsnya itu lagi pula.
Lagi pula. Okay, that is good. Okay, good job Mutia. And how about Zahra?
Dan
Eh, bandnya Dewa 17.
Dewa 19 mungkin?
Iya.
Oke,
Genrenya rock
rock.
and the albumnya albumnya apa ya?
Or the track, lagunya apa nih?
Dewa
What is
19.
the song?
The songnya Dewa.
Dewa. Oh, I
Ya.
just know it. The song is Dewa. That's all, Zahra?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, that is the interview section in speaking. Yeah, you have interviewed your friend about the music or the favorite artist. Okay, good job. So because our section is end, sesinya telah berakhir. Wow, time flies so fast ya. Waktunya berlalu dengan cepat. Untuk Zahra bisa join lebih awal ya
Yes, sir.
in the next week. Jadi we will meet in the next week ya. Okay, now we will take documentation section ya. Kita akan melakukan sesi dokumentasi. So please turn on your camera and we will take picture together ya. Please turn on your camera and we will take picture together. Okay, Aska, you can turn on your camera. Oke, ada yang hilang tiba-tiba. Wait. Siapa yang Mutia ya tadi yang hilang berarti? Oke, di sini udah ada. Wait. Okay, Mutia, you want to enter the room. Oke, mohon maaf ya, kelasnya berjalan dengan terlambat untuk di end section. Oke, now please give me your base pose ya. Please, I will count one until three ya. One, two, three. One more time, sekali lagi ya, with a different pose. Sekali lagi dengan gaya yang berbeda. One, two, three. Wait, let me close the material. Okay, now without the material ya, we will take picture together. Aska, you can open your camera, Aska. We will take picture together. Oke, bisa ya? Oke, I will count one until three. One, two, three. Oke, wait a minute. Oke, sebentar. Mutia mau join ya, tapi agak lagging mungkin ya. Oke, Oke, Mutia. Oke, udah ada ya. Oke, now please count one until three ya. Give me your best pose. One, two, three. Okay, thank you very much everyone for joining this class. See you next week. You may leave now. Thank you very much.
thank
See
you,
you
sir.
next
Thank you,
week. Okay,
sir.
my pleasure. Okay, bye
Bisa.
bye. Okay, my pleasure. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next